we have put, what'd you say, close to around 8,000, 9,000 miles on our cargo trailer with all of our trips combined. Right now we are sitting in Oregon, right by the Pacific coast, and we still have several miles to get back home. But we thought this would be a good time to do the 3 things we love, 3 things we hate about our camper, because we've put a lot of miles on it and we've camped in a lot of different places, and figure, yeah, we can tell you now what we love, what we hate. So I guess we'll start with hates.
Okay.
So I think probably our biggest hate is having to take it into smaller towns and trying to find parking. Like if we want to go shopping, or check out little cute little downtowns or something, like they are like never equipped with parking for trailers and stuff. So that's quite a hassle.
Even as small as we are, we can't find anything.
Yeah, so it's that I don't like. I don't like that at all, because there's sometimes I would like to probably stop, but we just keep going because we can't, So I think that's my biggest hate. What's another hate?
Well, the fact that it's not really big enough to put a shower in. I mean, we could, but we'd probably have to take out Darby's pen, and that was one of the things that we had to, pros and cons when we were building it. Should we, let her sleep on the floor, or actually make her a comfortable pen, or put a 32 by 32 little shower in it.
Which, if you watch one of our previous videos, we do have an outdoor shower tent, and we actually did just use it literally like an hour ago with the shower bag, and it actually worked really well. So I mean, that's good, but it's still inconvenient. It's all convenience, really. That's what it boils down to. So what's our other hate? We talked about this, and now I don't remember what it was. Oh, I remember what you said. Clearance.
Oh yeah, ground clearance. The way it's set up right now, it's just stock cargo trailer, and there's been a couple places that I've noticed, even pulling out of a parking lot or something, that front of that trailer comes down pretty far. Even on some BLM roads, which we probably shouldn't have been down anyways, but I noticed that it was,
yeah, a little more clearance would probably be nice.
Which I know I can, get the axles for, flip them or whatever and do it, but, just right out of the box, that is something that I don't care much for.
Right.
But,
okay, so what's our 3 loves? So probably our biggest love is we are so small that we can whip into anywhere.
Except for a parking spot.
Yeah. But like our campsite right here, we're at Humbug Mountain State Park, and that'll be in another video, but what was the length of this? Total was like 32, I think.
Yeah, 32.
And we fit. And there's not a whole lot of room in the campground loop to actually pull up and back in. Though I can't imagine having had a bigger rig trying to put it in here. And then we've been on a couple of BLM sites that were really small, that there's no way if we'd have been much bigger we would have got in there. So that I love, because we can get into places that a lot of RVs cannot. So what's another love?
We built it the way we wanted it.
And it's cozy and homey and
simple.
Yeah.
Not a lot.
But it has everything we really need. Right. I mean, I know we said, the shower, but we can still clean ourselves. It's just, that's, like I said, a convenience, to have an indoor shower. And we have one more love. What was our other love?
Cost.
Yeah.
because I'm a cheapskate. So
well, I do love that it costs so little, but has done so much for us.
Yeah,
So yeah, I kind of agree with that too.
and it does feel kind of weird to pull in next to a, in a spot, and you're next to a $50,000 RV. But I also think, well, I don't have that payment for 12 years, and I won't have to worry about warranty issues, because everything that we did in that one is easy fix. So
Right.
that's just the way we think. I mean, I know that's just opinion, but 'cause there's we've looked at nice RVs,
Oh,
and there's
yeah.
really nice
Oh,
ones
yeah.
out there, and we've actually said, man, that would be nice to have one of those. But then we're like, yeah, but cost and
Yeah, we're
maintenance,
tightwads.
and so
Okay, so this was actually a challenge video. We were challenged by Grassroots Living. Sorry, Gosh, why can't I say that? Grassroots Living. Shalane and Dean challenged us to do this 3 loves, 3 hates about our RV. And we are challenging.
I don't know.
Well, how about if you want to do the challenge, just do the challenge.
That'll work.
So, but maybe let us know in the comments if you decide to take up the challenge, because we'd love to know that you've taken the challenge.
That's all I got.
That's it.